So what if we are asked to do a Lewis structure for an ion? We could do either an anion like the nitrate ion, NO3 minus, or we could do a cation like the ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Either way, the rule is the same. For a negative ion, we add the same number of electrons as we have negative charges. For cations, we subtract the number of electrons as we have positive charges. So when we count the number of valence electrons for the nitrate ion, we see nitrogen has 5, oxygen has 6, times 3 is 18. And then that is a total of 23. We will add 1 for the negative charge, and so that gives us a total of 24 valence. For the ammonium ion, nitrogen still has 5. Hydrogen has 1. There are 4 of those. So that gives us a total for that molecule of 9. We will subtract 1 for the positive charge, and that gives us a total of 8 valence. Once we've determined the correct number of valence electrons, the rest of the steps are the same as it was before. All we have to do is draw the molecules with the right connectivity, distribute the electrons around the outer atoms. In this case of NO3 minus, we're going to have to form a double bond between one of these oxygens and the nitrogen in order to complete the Lewis structure. And so the completed Lewis structure will look like this. For the ammonium molecule, we can draw the nitrogen in the middle with the hydrogens around it. And once we've done that, we've already used up all of the 8 electrons, and so that one is finished as well. It would be the same way for if you had, for example, sulfate with SO4 minus 2, you would add 2 electrons to the total for that one. If you were doing phosphate, which is PO4 minus 3, you would add 3 valence electrons to that one before you began distributing the electrons around to all the outer atoms.